on, no, I'm getting this.
No, they're freaking doing a bunch over there. I'm trying to tell you.
Hang on, dude. Let me get. Just stop
I
jumping.
just missed these. What are you doing?
All right, let's go back.
Over there.
Oh, crap! They're everywhere.
Look over here. Oh, you just missed all of them over here. There's one over there.
Wait a minute.
Have you ever been to one of the drillers?
Dude, I've been to one in the Colorado Rocky Stadium on 4th of July too. And these ones are cool. That one was cool. I'm watching them through the iPhone. I can't even. I really need to see with my own eyes. That'd be nice. That one was cool. That freaking awesome, dude.
There's some pretty cool flowers going over there.
Yes, sir. Hey, B.
Hi, girl. Hey, Beanster.
Awesome. Yeah, probably. I need to take out the sound though.
Dang, that was loud.
'Cause I mean, they can hear me talking, but I don't care.
That one I want to.
Whoa. That one was so cool. Wow. I should probably get over here where you can see the whole entire firework. Oh, that one was awesome.
No problems. Grand finale. That's probably like the beginning. Those, like, you know, those blue things on the commercials
Yeah.
for Brave? They're freaking freaky.
Oh, really?
It goes away.
I think that was the end of it.
Another one, you go. This is creepy.
What do you think, Brandon? Is that the end of it?
I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, there
Well,
it goes.
Oh.
Alright, maybe look.